Hello, my name is Alejandro Vargas, and my only community friend is Bruno. His real name is Peter, Peter James Hernandez. He has 34 years old. He's from Honolulu, Hawaii, United States. And the people I usually eat breakfast at 8 p.m. and they have lunch about 3 p.m. and they have dinner at 9 o'clock. He lives in Hollywood, Los Angeles. He is singer, he is songwriter, he is musician, and he is choreographer. His father is Peter Hernandez and his mother is Bernabé San Pedro. He has five. He have five brothers, and they not married, but he have a girlfriend, and his girlfriend is Jessica Caban. He loves dance. He loves the music of Michael Jackson and Elvis Presley, and his favorite food is pollo adobo. This is a typical food of Philippines. He likes watch basketball and motorcycle on television. Bruno Mars gave the pizza with pinnacle. And now, if you want to follow him, he have a own social network and website is www.brunomars.com. On Facebook and Instagram, you can follow him, how Bruno Mars. My friend's country celebration is the day is a Hawaiian flower necklaces day. It celebrates the first week of the May and parades, dance, organization, and everyone wears flowers necklace around their necks. I hope that you like it, my friend, information, and remember, if you follow his in yourselves in his social network. Bye.